Alexa, play To Be a Master.
Here's a station for you based on the song To Be a Master by Pokemon
Alexa,
on Amazon Music.
Play To Be a Master by Pokemon.
To Be a Master.
I need
by
this to be
Pokemon
perfect.
On Amazon Music.
All right. The night has finally come. I've been patiently waiting for my chance to draw this interesting and powerful Pokemon. And the time has come. At last, at long last, we're drawing Mega Mewtwo repainted form. We're drawing Shadow Mega Mewtwo. Yeah, Mega Shadow Mewtwo at last finally comes to Master Designs. Mega Shadow Mewtwo is Mewtwo's evolved form. Remember that spike sticking out of his back? This is the result. It's finally time. Alright, let's get started. Alright, this is perfected. This is perfect. Shadow Mewtwo is a video game exclusive Pokemon from the video game Pokken tournament. I've seen it and played it once before. And wow, Shadow Mewtwo is one of the strongest, and really is one of the strongest. Now I understand why he has that title.
Somewhat impressive. Now you've reached the plateau, but not yet a hero. Are you ready to meet and defeat
Hold on.
the elite?
Alright.
Expect survival against your rival. And remember, gotta catch 'em all. Show me what you've got.
Alright. In celebration of Shadow Mewtwo coming to the Pokédex, we're bringing on all the songs Pokemon has to offer. Here's the golden tail. Alexa, play You and Me and Pokemon.
You and Me and Pokemon by Pokemon on Amazon Music.
Hold on. Hold on. Here's the fist. And finished. There he is. Hold on. Forgot that the ghostly aura. That's him. The legendary Shadow Mewtwo. Mega Shadow Mewtwo. Alexa, play The Journey Starts Today.
Here's The Journey Starts Today from Pokemon Journeys by Walk Off the Earth and Pokemon on Amazon Music.
I finally finished. Finally part of my collection. One of my strongest allies. I'm happy you guys enjoyed this episode. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel. And in the comments below, place a comment on which character and which amazing monster you want me to draw next. Stegosaurus, see you later. Have fun.